Welcome to my channel Marley Design. My name is Marlies and I'm going to show you my first make for the Tim Holtz Halloween release 2021, and I made a mini booklet. I chose some beautiful papers out of the backdrop package. Over here you will see me create some score lines. I want a spine, so you need 2 lines because this mini booklet will be bulky and chunky. To be sure, your cover will be very sturdy for a lot of opening and closing from the pages. I am gluing it down onto a sturdy, heavier type of printer paper. When you already have seen videos from me before, you know I love to tear and rip my papers and also roughen it up extra with the paper distresser. And after that I always ink my edges with the Archival Ink Coffee color. So I was searching my folding lines, my score lines, to just score them again, because in the meantime the papers tripled. And it's not only one paper, it's 3 stacked together, and you want your score lines to be visible and very flexible. I love these window frames, they are very gorgeous. I chose one with already a nice pattern, old wood, and I wanted to be a peek through, so I planned on cutting out a piece so you can look through. Even though the frame is very beautiful, I am going to add something to it. Right now it's the texture paste, Crypt, and just put something on randomly, just with your finger. While the frame is drying, I always try to work on another piece. And yeah, you see the white that was left over from the sturdy printer paper. I don't want it to be white. So in this case, I am using some pieces to cover the white up. And you see there you can find a lot of right-sized papers for these little pieces. And if it doesn't fit, I am not afraid to cut it up for the right measurement. And yeah, just enjoy your ephemera packs in this way. The worn wallpaper scripts are amazing. I really love that it doesn't only have like fully pages of beautiful pattern paper, but also the paper strips. I really enjoyed them, and also some flowers. Now back to the frame. In the meantime, the Crypt paste dried. I am looking for some colors that are already in my book, so I want it to be a bit in the same color scheme. That means a bit of brown, red oxide, and you will see me put on some yellow. And just take these colors and go back and forth until you are satisfied with the result. Well, it cannot go wrong because you can always cover it up a little bit more with the brown or red or yellow. So don't be afraid and just play around. Maybe you would think, why the yellow? Because I haven't seen yellow yet in this project. Well, soon you will notice that I have a reason for that. And there is the reason, this little butterfly. I thought it was very gorgeous to put in the front of the cover as, yeah, really an eye catcher. And that is also the reason why I wanted to put some yellow back into the window frame. And in the rest of the book, you will see a little bit of yellow, just some slight touches, yeah, to make it all balanced. There is also a cute little spider on my table. It's from the Adornments set, and I thought it would be really fun to yeah, put it in the middle of the butterfly. And yeah, it's I think it's beautiful because you see the bat wings of the transparencies, then the beautiful butterfly with the full and rich colors, and then to top it off, the little cute spider. So while the frame and bat wings, butterfly and spider is drying, I always go to my next piece of the project. And in this case, this will be the first page that you can turn inside the booklet. Yeah, and I really looked at my papers, which would fit already my color scheme. But you also have to keep in mind you have to take a look at both sides of the page because the front can be different, in this case white, and different from the back that is marbled. So these Halloween layers are perfect for making pockets right away, because they are already printed with a beautiful text or image, and they have pretty much the right size, yeah, just to glue them down and use them immediately. Also over here, one piece of white will stick out on the other side of the page, and I have a solution for that. You can use either a snippet or some other small piece of ephemera, and yeah, your problem is gone. When my eye catches a space that is way too plain, and in this case also way too wide, I always like to put something there to attract. And in this case, the rub-ons, the remnants, how do you say? No, it's the remnant rubs, the specimen. I use them just to make a little addition to the paper. I really, really love this bug. I wish there was a whole bag of them, and they are just cute. So this guy with his intestines caught my eye at the moment I unpacked my materials, and that is for me it's an immediately sign I am going to use it, because when you have that attraction, it means it will work for you. So, and you can also see I am repeating my papers in the same way I did on the right side. And I am choosing the same kind of papers to make my pages cohesive. And again, cover up your white space with some ephemera. So I am repeating some steps. The remnant rub specimen, I took them out again and did some filling of the plain white paper. And again, repeat in a lot of materials, and you will get a balanced look. So this was part 1 of a 5-part series, and I really want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in part 2. Bye!